Alright, so it looks like for install I just got to take off the bracket, then the slip joint down low, and then the other guy's got all sorts of hardware, but it doesn't look too difficult. Looks like I have a spacer to push it away, I got something to secure it to the factory, and then I got this guy down here, which is going to be to mount it up underneath where the license plate is. So looks pretty alright, not too bad, not too bad. Great packaging, gotta be honest. Packaged super well, super tight. This pipe looks fantastic. I'm all for it. Time to be a burden to the neighborhood. It's gonna be fun. Cold start, stock exhaust. Quiet. Pretty boring. Alright, pipe just installed. Arrow. That thing is tight. That's not gonna look good for long. Damn, let's turn the big girl on. So power, hit, and then... Wow, that sounds stock. Holy cow. That's the decibel killer. Yeah, buddy. Intrusive thoughts, always. Alright, so that sounds good. It's not annoying. It's pretty throaty. And let's just flip it. It's a little more. Okay. Now, we gotta make it annoying. And to do that, we're gonna get rid of this little guy in here. Hopefully I can put it back in, if I need to. We'll find out. Took a little bit of work, but using the little tool that they give you to pull out, not pull out, but put on the springs on the muffler, on the tip. Got the can out, the little dB killer. Not sure how much that's gonna change it, but let's see. Get us a key. Bing, bang, boom. Hit. Yeah, that's noisier. That's noisier. Oh, wow, boy. Oh wow. Wow. Holy cow. This thing's throaty. Yeah, that's the way that should have been. Yeah, I'm with it. Look at that thing. Not worth it. Get rid of it. This is where it's at. I don't think that's a real name brand arrow. I feel salty about that. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. I'm not familiar with that, design on the front face. I am worried about these HammerLEDs getting all messed up. And I feel like that might mess them up. Where's my hazards? These things are tight though. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. This is... It's fucking squeaky. Sounds like there's a hamster in it or something. I don't think it's that. Sounds like there's a hamster. can't help myself. Gotta turn it on again. Let's get a little bit of this. Fuel pump prime. Boy. Shoot. Oh. Yeah, buddy.